Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel for another video if you're returning. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tasha, and in today's video I wanted to get into all things summer and vacation looks. You guys, I know we are just at the beginning of spring, however I am itching for a vacation. I need to feel the sand in between my toes kind of vacation. I'm just ready for a getaway. So if you're looking for something a little bit different to your high street stores such as Zara, Mango, H&M, which come out with some stunning summer pieces, but you just want something a little bit extra, then stick around because I've got you. So the first place that I would recommend to shop for any summer and vacation items is Kai Collective. I love this brand for their bold prints, their unique designs. Like, take a look at some of these organza tops that have just come out. I love the oversized balloon look of the organza top dress. The organza dress is something that you can wear on its own and also as an overlay piece. You can wear this on top of your swimwear. You can also wear this on top of any dresses or any clothing items, just as a little extra layer covering piece when you're on vacation. Now they also have this in a shirt version. Now this brand has so many just gorgeous pieces that scream summer and vacation. Take a look at this dress, for example. Is this not giving we're in Mexico, we are at a salsa club or something? Like, this is such a fun piece. I love the fringe detail, and fringe is in the season. I don't believe it ever left because fringe has been something that has been in for a while now, and I just love the colors, like how it looks like a sun setting. You've got the red and the yellow working together, and I just absolutely love it. Another piece that I love from this brand is the two-piece cord set in the red. Now, I don't know if red is my color, but this is something that I would definitely love to see in other colors, such as a black or a royal blue. The founder actually wore this before she released it, and I was on the hunt for this online, looking for where I can find a two-piece cord set in red. Like, you guys, I was hooked. So when she announced that this was part of her brand, I said, okay girl, now you're talking. I absolutely adore this two-piece cord set in red. Okay, so next up we have Kaku. This brand has really been a brand that I have been loving. They were on my radar with their viral two-piece cord set in the long sleeve off-shoulder top, but I have the two-piece cord set in a black. Their pieces range from being elegant to straight up looking like a baddie kind of vibes, you know, so they have something there for everybody. For me, I really love how their pieces are so unique and they're so individual. I love how the creator definitely takes her time to create pieces that are not on the market. You won't see what Kaku has anywhere on the market. So let's get into some of the pieces that I love from Kaku. First of all, it's gonna have to be this dress right here, the two-toned effect. I personally have this dress in the green and the blue, but they also have a red and white version. I've also seen them with a black version. You guys, this dress right here is a head turner. If you want people to swivel and almost break their necks looking at what you're wearing, girl, this dress right here will do the trick. I wore this dress to a baby shower and a couple of other places actually, because I love to wear my clothes, especially when they come at, you know, the mid to luxury price tag. I want to wear my clothes and I want to wear them multiple times. This dress would be perfect for vacation. Along with this, they've just released a couple of new dresses and two-piece cord sets. They've got them in so many different colors. Like, the best one is this dress right here. The dress has a little bit of drama in the back. It's very subtle, so you only notice it if you're looking closely. I love how around the back and butt area, it sort of has a ruched detail, and I just like that little detail right there. So Kaku is your girl. If you're looking for something that is like, wow, a stunning statement dress, you're gonna find it at Kaku. Next up, we have Rendall Official. You guys, they recently changed their name from Rendoll Lagos to Rendall Official, and I love that for them. This is a brand that I absolutely love. I've got a couple of pieces from Rendoll. I actually have a dress that I've not worn yet, and I'm just waiting and saving it for the summer season because it's a bright orange. So for me, I feel like I need that hot weather to really pull this off. They have pieces that would be perfect for vacation. Take a look at this maxi mesh dress right here. The print is stunning. It's in this orange blue detail with so many different hints of green, orange, yellow. I just love how this looks. I've seen this dress on a couple of girls on my Instagram and they pull it off so stylishly that I need to get my hands on this dress. I have a pair of trousers for them that I've been able to style in so many different seasons. I've been able to style it in summer, I've been able to style it in winter. I just love these trousers. I believe they are the teddy trousers and they are so versatile. The teddy trousers actually have a matching top. I just decided to get the trousers on their own because you can do so many different things with a two-piece cord set. Rendall, I love. Again, the prices are not too crazy. The only thing that I would say about Rendoll is they do ship from Lagos, so you will have to take into account a shipping fee, which you just have to take into consideration if you're shopping from a brand that does not have a base in your hometown. So yeah, I'm not mad at the shipping cost. Like, Rendoll is another one that has some stunning pieces for vacation. Next up, we have House of CB. You guys, I live for a House of CB moment. Before House of CB, there were other shops. However, if you wanted a really gorgeous cocktail dress or a dress, you know, that you could wear for a dressy occasion, you would really have to fork out the coins at your Selfridges, your Harvey Nichols or whatever. So I feel like House of CB, when they came, they really stepped into that mid to luxury price point for the average girl, and I just loved them ever since. Like, their dresses range from anywhere between 160 to 250, and for a glamorous dress, I feel like that's a good price point, especially for the mid to luxury market. Now, House of CB, there is this one dress that I have been eyeing up, and you guys, take a look at the color. Take a look at how the model's figure just looks so flattering in this dress. For me, this is something that I can see myself wearing on a beach. I'm taking a little stroll on the beach on the way to dinner kind of vibes. I'm not wearing any shoes. It's literally just grazing the sand as I'm walking. And every year, you guys know, House of CB drops some of the most beautiful, most feminine dresses for the summertime. We're gonna see a lot of jaw-dropping dresses coming out from House of CB. As always, this dress is just one that I have my eye on in particular. One thing I love about House of CB dresses is the fact that majority of the dresses will have an inbuilt corset or some kind of a boning in it to keep the structure of the dress. So anytime you buy a House of CB dress, just know you can almost always guarantee that it's going to be snatched all around the waist, girl. You're going to be looking feminine, fancy, and just jaw-dropping gorgeous. I can't find any other adjectives to describe House of CB dresses. I just love. Okay, so the next place that I would recommend for vacation and summer pieces is Revolve. Revolve is sort of similar to your Farfetch, your My Teresa. You can usually find a very good vacation-esque dress or outfit on Revolve. They stock so many different brands on there that you can literally get lost in the amount of choice that is available. Revolve stocks some of my favorite brands. They stock brands like Andrea Iyama. They stock Kaku, which is known for their elaborate designs, their embellished designs, and they stock Solace London. They have so many different brands on there that you can literally get lost. They have different price points. They have price points all the way from low to super high. So yeah, have fun on Revolve and see what is on there for you. They also stock jewelry brands on there as well. And jewelry is something that I've been trying to get into a little bit more because accessory wise, I feel like that is something that is lacking in my wardrobe. I'm good on building up my wardrobe in terms of outfits, tops, trousers, dresses, but I always find it's really lacking when it comes to jewelry and accessorizing. I feel like at the moment I'm a little bit of a minimalist when it comes to accessorizing. However, I love a statement earring. I love a statement ring, bracelet, and everything. I really want to step into my jewelry bag this summer season, especially when you're on vacation and you want those looks to really pop. Speaking of jewelry, a brand that I recently discovered is one called Shop Koi. Shop Koi has some of the most extravagant, bold jewelry pieces, especially earrings. Like, you guys know that I'm an earring kind of a girl. I just ordered 2 pairs of earrings and they are on their way. When they come, I'll do an unboxing for you, but right now I am loving the pieces that are on here. Shopkoi is one of those brands that you know that if you need a statement earring, I love how their pieces are so just captivating and just like, wow, it's a conversation starter, kind of a jewelry place if you're looking for bold earrings. So yes, I will show you guys the pieces when they arrive. So the next place that I would recommend if you have a little bit more of a budget is JacMoose. You guys, JacMoose has the most stunning dresses for each season. Now I got this beautiful knot tie and metallic dress from JacMoose last year, and this dress right here, my DMs were on fire the first time I wore this dress. Actually, on every occasion that I have worn this JacMoose dress, my DMs have been on fire because this dress right here is stunning. A lot of the pieces from JacMoose do tend to go on sale, so you're better off waiting until the autumn season or even this season that we're in right now. I know JacMoose usually does sales, not on the official website, but more on Farfetch, My Teresa. You will usually find a JacMoose piece on sale. Now again, the price point for JacMoose is more on the luxury end of the price point. However, if you find a JacMoose dress on sale, grab it, because JacMoose, the material, majority of JacMoose dresses are made up of this thick, stretchy material, not necessarily bandage. It's a very stretchy and malleable material, so it then ends up being more flattering on the body. JacMoose is just one of those brands where you know you're gonna go there and you're gonna find yourself a statement piece, whether it's a top, whether it's a dress or a skirt. There's this skirt that has been on my radar ever since I saw it on one of my favorite fashion girls. The skirt is called the Capri skirt. I have not been able to find this skirt anywhere, you guys. And this skirt is probably very old and probably I won't be able to get my hands on it unless somebody's selling it on the secondhand market. JacMoose as a brand just comes out with some of the most unique and statement pieces. So yeah, check out JacMoose if you have a little bit more of a higher budget for your summer and vacation look. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a little bit of a different format. If you guys enjoyed this video, of course, give your girl a big thumbs up. Oh, I didn't even tell you where this top is from. I am wearing this beautiful top from Amy Lynn. Amy Lynn is actually another brand that has some stunning vacation pieces. Actually has one of the most viral dresses that went viral last year, and it's the black and the white balloon type of dress. I'll insert a picture over here. But needless to say, thank you guys for watching today's video. I love you guys so much. Let me know what are some of the places that you're going to be shopping for summer and vacation pieces, because I would love to know, because I'm in the shopping mood and I'm getting ready for summer and my vacations that I've not booked yet, but trust me, I'm going to be booking them soon. So speak to you guys later. Love you guys. Bye.